What is happening, everyone? My name is Phil with Think Make Do, and we're back. And I'm super excited because we have a new build, or at least a new reno project we're working on. It took a couple of months for us to find a new project, but we've got one right behind us here. And it's pretty interesting. It's a, well, maybe not so interesting. It is a fix and flip, which is different from the work I've been doing in the past, which is mostly renovation work. But this is a 5-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,800 square foot, single floor, slab on grade, so concrete foundation, single family home. So let me flip this around, take you on a tour, and see what we're working with. All right, so out here you can see we've already started construction. We've got a crew this time around that's going to be helping a lot, and I will be doing a lot less work, so that should be nice. We've got a full kitchen here. This is our dining area, our living room. We've blown out, or at least you can see that the previous homeowner already kind of elevated the beams here and opened up some space. And let's take a look. So the original layout had this room right here as the master or the primary bedroom and primary bathroom. So you have a small hallway space here, a closet, and your primary bathroom. Corner shower, I think a 48 or a 60-inch vanity, and a toilet. So we're gonna leave the configuration for this room, but now it's going to be a junior master suite, and you'll see why. This hallway bath here is our main bathroom, 60-inch tub, a small 24-inch vanity with room for a recessed mirror, and then our toilet. All right, nothing too special here. This is one of the first smaller bedrooms, and you'll see you have a half closet on this side. So this closet wall is shared. So you have a closet on this side for the other room as well. Now, this is an interesting room. This is a bedroom that we're gonna turn into a bathroom. And you see a lot of this blue tape kind of hanging out everywhere. This is the proposed layout for a new primary bathroom that then connects through this door into one of the large bedrooms on the other side, making it into a master. So you have a 60-inch vanity here. You have a pretty large 4-foot by 5-foot, 48 by 60-inch large shower. It'll be a custom tile shower enclosure. And then on this side right here, you'll have a full freestanding tub, right? Then your toilet, and we're gonna reutilize this closet as a linen closet and make it nice and pretty for this bathroom, all right? These are utility closets. Looks like we got some of our tools up in here. Just in case you wanted to know, the HVAC system is nestled right in here into the corner. And then this is just a linen closet or a hallway closet. So this home was added onto, as you can see, everywhere from here on is an addition to the home, right? So the design is slightly different. This is a pretty small bedroom. Looks like it still has an old wall heater unit with a built-in closet. Now this could act as a den or potentially just a very small bedroom. I think this is 10 by 12. So not the smallest, but pretty small. And then the guys in here are working on what will be the primary bedroom. So doorway will be over there. We have nice patio doors leading outside. And we are going to be working on recessing or inverting these beams to make the ceiling nice and flat. And then this right here is a built-in closet that we're considering blowing out to make this room a bigger space. So let's take you outside and see what we're working with outside. We have our detached garage out here. We'll get into that later. I'm gonna be working primarily on that today. This is the outdoor side access hallway for the addition. And man, this is all our garbage we've already accumulated. So the previous owner used this back area kind of as a makeshift workspace with this canopy. We're probably going to take that down. The lot here is triangular, so kind of like a pizza pie. So it's a little bit unique, very strange. But you have all these kind of long, narrow spaces, right? So in the backyard here, there's all this space that's unutilized, right? Got a tire swing that used to be here, but you have a kind of like a ridge wall. I don't know if you call it a ridge wall, just a ramp, if you will, separating in terms of elevation the next plot of homes, and then this lower grade elevation for this home. And you see that slope going all the way down throughout. So let's try to get over to the other side. All right, so you got somewhat of a decent pergola out here, and then for whatever reason there's a wrought iron fence separating half of this backyard with this section of the backyard. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. You got a kids play area. We think maybe this used to be a pool and they filled this in. So the pool more than likely had to be fenced in, right, for safety. I think that's some kind of code. But they turned it, maybe they got tired of using it and they covered it up, right? Why else would there be like this kind of elevation here? We're gonna dig a little bit into it and see what's down there. And then more than likely that will determine whether or not we either fix the pool or demolish the wrought iron gates that are separating this bit of landscaping that I think would look really nice for a potential home buyer. All right, got a little storage shed. Not sure what we'll do with that there. And then you come around back to the outside. So that is what we're looking at in terms of this project. So we are turning a 5-bed 2-bath into a 5-bed 3-bath and going with a slightly elevated luxury look. And I'll throw some kind of photos of the reference photos we're using for the design and the interior. And hopefully along the way I've kind of showed you the floor layout plan and some of the 3D design that we've done in SketchUp to see what that primary bedroom or bathroom will look like, and we'll go from there. Like I said, we have a construction crew that we've hired on to help. That way we can finish a lot faster. This is a flip, so time is a lot more important, and having a crew on hand to work every day, whereas I can only work half the week and weekends, that kind of thing, that'll be much better. And I think I know enough now to help direct and manage the construction process versus before where we had no idea what we're doing. If you saw our Inglewood house, go check that out. It's a triplex that we recently completed. It's now fully rented out, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah, so stay tuned with us on this journey. It's going to be pretty crazy. The progress is going to be much faster. I'm going to get videos in maybe once every 2 weeks. The build's going to be about maybe 5 months in total, maybe 4 months, permitting willing, right? And hopefully we get this on the market and it's a good deal. All right, catch you guys later.
1 kitty, 2 kitties. You good? You good? You want to get down? Come on. Okay. No? You like where you're at? That's your spot? Okay. What are you looking at?